Welcome back. This is going to be a newbie friendly strategy. So, what we need is we need the MACD with the standard configuration. Okay. And then we save that. We need the 50 moving average and make it EMA for exponential. And then we save that. Don't really need the zigzag. Yeah, we'll take that off. We're gonna just keep it very simple for a beginner. Let me just check something really quick. Make sure my time frames are lining up. Okay. So for me personally, I do 3-minute chart, 1-minute trade. If I was using this strategy in particular, I would be looking for positions that are as close to the 50 moving average as possible. So for me, that's going to be this blue line in the middle of the screen. So that's number one. Number two, you would be looking for a cross of these two lines right here on the MACD, with the green line being above, letting us know that we are ready to sell. So where I have this line right here, we see that the line crossed, price is close to the 50 moving average. We then go into the third confirmation. If we're looking for buys, then what we're looking for is flat top green candles, flat bottom green candles, preferably one, if not two, just to further that confirmation to take that trade. So in this example, you could have taken a buy. I'm gonna put the box right here. Back right here. I think you could have taken a buy, preferably in this second candle in the box right here. Yeah, preferably. Because, let me see. Yeah, the more conservative entry would have been this candle, because you would have had a bigger brick on the MACD. These lines are starting to create space, helping us understand that we're clearly in the uptrend. That would have been your 1, 2, third confirmation of flat bottom green candles to confirm your trend up. You could have placed a buy position for a minute, 2 minutes. I think you would have cleared if you have gotten an entry anywhere between the first or second candle, if not the third candle. Another example, and I'm only pinpointing really good examples. I think this is more beginner friendly because it will limit how many positions you take, but in fact you will have more quality positions, if you will. Right, so in this example, let me do it more like this. Okay, so in this example, your entry would have been on this candle, as this candle was opening. The second candle in the box. Why is that? Number one, we are close to our 50 moving average, our money line. We have already experienced a cross down on the MACD. That would have been our second candle with the flat top red, helping us identify that sellers are in the market. Lastly, we have the brick facing down and is also red, helping us understand sellers are in the market. So as this candle was opening, anything from there would have been cleared 1 minute, 2 minute, 30-second. I think anything for the most part would have been cleared on that. Let me come back to where we were. I'm teaching. What you doing, honey? Oh, that line goes over there. Okay, and then nope. There we go. Okay, let's come back. Okay, we were right here. Yeah, your conservative entry would have been as this candle opened, you would have had a stronger brick on the downside. If you were waiting for more of a confirmation, that would have definitely worked as well. I think something that you can keep in mind as a newbie from a strategy standpoint, on the far right, the market sentiment that like right now is showing is a super duper buy. Sometimes this is relevant, so you can kind of use that as a strength indicator. We used to utilize, it was two strength indicators in particular we used to utilize in the past. But if you would use any, I would recommend kind of testing that and seeing what that looks like for you. But as far as the concept for this strategy, price below the blue line, we're looking for sells. Price above the blue line, we're looking for buys. You're looking for at least 2 flat top candles. If you enter on the second candle, that'd be more of your perfect kind of entry vibe. The third candle would be more of your conservative entry. So here's another example right here. Okay, hold on. All right. Let me do it like this. This one was kind of choppy, but it was as the trend was changing. As you can see, if you look left, we were going up. We created an M at the top, which then gave us that sell. Came back to respect our money line and continued down right here. All right, so I'll break this one down. Then we're done for now. I would say my entry would have been, I'm not even gonna cap, not when the candle opened because I didn't see the full brick yet on the MACD. Maybe as I was getting more momentum on this first candle right here. Definitely as this following candle was opening, you would have definitely secured you a bag right there as well. We have a very strong brick in the MACD area. We have the cross down. We're close to our money line. And also, as far as like things to start looking for, we had an M that was created in the market. And I'm gonna leave you with this. this right here. Just give me 1 second. A previous mentor of mine used to always say, W shift up, M shift down. So what exactly does that mean? That means when we see M's in the market like we have here, we're looking for sales. Normally the M will come at the end of the uptrend. Like how I was saying, this was an uptrend at first. We had price above for a while. Well, not for a decent amount of time, right? And then how did the uptrend end? There was a high created, and then that same high was respected. A new high wasn't created, and then we continued down from there. Sometimes the high might be retested 3 times, but yeah. All right, I think this was a good one. Yeah, so to recap, we have Heikin-Ashi candles on here. I'm on a 3-minute chart, and I'll recommend 1-minute trades. That's my personal preference. I think nobody can really tell you the time frame. I think you kind of have to get an idea of how the market looks to you and feels to you. 3 and 5 minutes, as far as the candlesticks, definitely kind of slow it down a bit. Even if you were to take 1-minute trades. And to continue recapping, we're looking for positions to buy above the blue line, to sell below the blue line. We are looking for preferably 2 or more flat bottom green candles for buys and flat top red candles for sells. We're looking for crosses up on the MACD with the brick facing up to let us know that we're beginning a new uptrend or going back into a continuation, if you will. Lastly, if you want to wait for the strong confirmation, you want a strong brick to show up, right? And there you have it, my friends. Go back through this video, scroll through this video, do all of that good stuff. Make it a point to go back to the channel as well. Go through the playlist. Head up back over to the group. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to ask any questions that you may have. But yeah, I think somebody brand new should be able to get to a bag with what we have right here: Heikin-Ashi, 50 moving average, and the MACD. Yeah, this is basic. My indicators are a little different as far as like what I'm currently using right now. The overall concept is the same. Have it on my live, and I'll make another video kind of breaking that down again. But if you got value, like this video, smash the heart button, share it with a friend, create your pocket option account with our link so you can join our inner circle. That group is going up. You want to get yourself in there. Get in there. Have a great day.